Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be explaining how you can deactivate or delete your Parship dating account permanently. There is no option for deactivating your Parship account, but there are still some settings you can tweak to make your Parship account and profile invisible. Go to Parship website and log in. Then click on your profile picture and go to Data and Settings. Scroll down and toggle Visible to all Parship members option off. This will make your Parship profile completely invisible. Now go ahead and toggle the visitor list off. By doing this, you will not appear in the visitor list of the members whose profile you have visited or have shown interest in you. Finally, you can turn off the Now Online option. You can turn all of these on anytime you want to make your account visible again. Now let's see how you can delete your Parship account. Under Profile Status, click on the link to delete your profile permanently. You must enter your login password in order to delete your account. Then click Delete Profile button. Your Parship account will be permanently deleted. You cannot recover your account, but you can create a new one with the same email and username. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.